Hello everyone, my name is Manuel and welcome to another video. In this video I will be explaining how to add promotions within Google Merchant Center. This is for GMC Next, the newest version of the UI. So first we want to go to Promotions in the left hand corner. If you don't see Promotions, then what you need to do is first enable the Promotions feature. You can do this by going to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. Then choose Add-ons, and then here you will see Promotions, and then you click on Activate. Because on this account it's already activated, you will see it in the tab Active. So as you can see, it is enabled. So simply do that. Once it's active in the Discover panel, then you will see a side menu here and called Promotions. Now you can click on here, and you can submit either a promotions feed, or if you are sporadically adding promotions, just click on Add Promotion here, one by one. So what the important parts of the promotions are is that the promotion needs to be redeemable in the checkout. That means if you have a sale price, that is not a valid promotion. So it needs to be past the cart inside the checkout. That's where the promotion needs to be applied, and then you have a valid promotion. The promotion also needs to be above 5% at least, and it must be no longer than 6 months that it can be valid. So for example, if you have an all year round promotion, that is of course not valid. You also have to be aware that it's not available in all the countries. So there are quite a few, I believe there are like nearly 15 countries that you can add the promotion to. So what we first want to do is select our country which we want to target, which is United Kingdom, and then choose the language that is supported. So that is only English in this case. What we want to do is show in ads. We want to, actually this will also say, for example, Chrome. I believe if you change it to United Kingdom States, you should be, here we go. So you can also show the promotion in a Chrome browser, which is very helpful for getting a notification. For example, when a user goes to your website and they have not noticed the promotion, they will get a notification in the corner saying this website has a promotion that you can benefit from. So that is a very cool new feature, and considering Chrome is being used by many users, this is a great feature, although it's only for the US, so not for the UK. And also you can see here free listings. So if you go back to United Kingdom, so we've got several options. We have the amount off, percentage off, free gift, and free delivery. The only caveat with free delivery is that you have to have a promotion code. So all other promotions you can enable without having to add a promotion code in the checkout, but for free delivery you must have a promotion code. So with percent off you also get a few sub options. So you have a straight up amount off, or if you have a buy quantity of products, buy quantities and get the same item at a discount. So the difference between those two is that you get, for the second option, you get a percent off with whenever you buy anything on the website. However, the third option is you only get a percentage if you buy the same item. So for example, if you buy 3 items and the fourth one is free, then that would be the suitable option. So you can then choose quantity purchased and then how many quantity discounted. So for example, if we take the example of 3 quantity purchased and 1 discounted free, then you would say let's go with percentage because that's better in this case. So that option, so we've purchased 3 and 1 is for free, and then you can put 100% discount in that one for the getting the quantity discount at 100% rate. Some cases you also get like buy 1 and then the second one is 50% free, for example. That's also a very common promotion. However, for my clients, actually the most common one is just a single percentage off, let's say 20%. That is the most common one. Now for the promotion title, the important part is don't try to be clever in the promotion titles because it often gets rejected. So what I just simply do is 20% discount, and that's as simple as I get. Because the promotion title is rarely used, so it's no point in adding, like, for example, the product title that you're giving a promotion of, or the category. Keep it simple, and then your promotion will not get rejected. Now, the promotion ID, what I like to do is always add the date or the month of the promotion. So let's say we're doing Valentine's, because that's around the corner on the 14th of February. So what I would like to do is just call it February, oh, sorry, not February, 2024 Valentine. So if you have a promotion that is more like monthly, then I'll also just add the month in between, so that every promotion ID is unique. Because if you reuse the existing promotion when you try to save, then it will not work. Now, how to apply it to products? You've got some filtering options that you can choose, which is the item ID, product type, brand, and item group ID. In most cases, I have not really used them, because promotions tend to be a little bit sporadic. So if it's not applied to all products, I prefer to use the promotion ID, and then using feed rules or supplement feeds, I will then add the promotion ID first in the feed itself, and then create a promotion. Using feed rules is easier because, for example, if a client says all the products that has product type and title X and Y, then you can apply multiple rules, while if you use a filter, there's only one rule. Well, you can use multiple rules in here, but it's not as sophisticated, because you can only choose product type and not, for example, the title. So that's why I prefer to use the traditional way. And of course, if you want to apply it to all products, then you choose all products. You can then add your promo code. So let's say Valentine, and choose your date range. Now, what I've noticed, and this is actually what I noticed only recently, if you choose a date range, then the 24th is the end. So if your promotion actually ends on the 24th at midnight, then this means, in this case, it ends on the 23rd, which is rather annoying. So what I do is change the time zone, the time, and just change it to 23:59. And that means then it ends on the 24th at midnight, and not at 7 in the morning. That is actually a recent discovery that I have found. Now what you do is then just click on save, and then the promotion will be added. I will cancel for now because this is not a real promotion. So when you load up the promotions tab, then you will have to wait roughly 15 minutes before the promotion will be shown. And then it goes into a review process, which can take 24 hours. My recommendation when creating a promotion is to at least do it a few weeks beforehand, so that you give yourself time to set it all up. Make sure that it works in the checkout as well. So if you're using a promo code, use that as an example to test. If it works, then set up the promotion. And for example, in cases where you're having a Black Friday promotion, make sure you do that well in advance, because the closer you do it to the day you want to enable it, the longer it takes for the promotion to be approved, because there are so many merchants that want to do exactly the same thing as you are. So if you're a little bit ahead of yourself, well, if you want to do it quicker, then you can then set up the promotion earlier, a few weeks. And you can do that with promotion fees as well. If you have multiple promotions that you want to manage, I would recommend using a Google Sheet, and then just add all your columns and details in there. That would be more suitable and easier to manage and to resubmit. So that is how you create promotions and how you enable it in Google Merchant Center Next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.